Hi everyone, and welcome to the WordPress design training. So this section, I'm going straight to the point. This section, I'm going to be talking about how to build a very beautiful classic WordPress website. There's a lot of things going on with WordPress, but this is going to be a very solid foundation that you're going to be building on later on for you to start building a very more robust WordPress website. This is lesson one. The lesson one is going to be introducing you to WordPress. I have a few things I'm going to be talking about, and I'm going to also be sharing with you what you are supposed to achieve at the end of this lesson. First of all, let me go straight to the point. Let me start. So what is WordPress? WordPress is, just take WordPress as a drag and drop, a simple way to build a website without having to write a code, a way to build a site for you to have users to engage with it without even needing to know any way of. For the basic level, you don't need a code to build a WordPress website. And there are two different things that goes on when building a WordPress website. We always have the front end, we always have the front end, which is what everyone see, and we have the dashboard. That is the engine room. That is where everything goes on. Because WordPress website, you can't just jump into it without knowing what are themes, plugins. You need to know the installation process. You need to know what those plugins does. You need to know which theme to use. You need to know some basic maintenance skill. You need to have some basic maintenance skill. So these are things I'll be introducing to you. This training is not just going to be presentation, it's going to also have a lot of practicals also. You might be missing some things along the way, so I'll expect you to pause it. It's going to be a recorded video. I'll expect you to pause it. After you pause it, try and rewind it. Try and rewind it, play it again till you understand. You're going to get everything straight to the point. So I've talked about the front end, which is what everyone see. If someone goes to www.mralabi.com, there is something they're going to see. The dashboard is what they don't really see all the time. They can't even see the dashboard, but the dashboard is meant for you. This is where you enter your text. This is where you drag the images to. So these are things I'll be showing you in the video. You're going to be coming across WordPress.com, and you're going to be coming across WordPress.org. I'm going to quickly talk about that too. So WordPress.org is where you actually download the raw file of WordPress, and this is where you manipulate different things you want to do with your website. WordPress.org is the file you download and host on your own server, where you build your own site. But WordPress.com, you have to use it on their own server, and it has been hosted for you. So those videos, the site has been hosted for you, just for you to just do some changes. It has its own limitation. It's not as flexible as WordPress.org installation file. I'm sure the I'm sure this process of the I'm sure the download process has been done, because you already have the WordPress on the desktop in front of you, or on the laptop for those using laptop. You don't need to start downloading it from WordPress.org server, but you can still go through it to see how it works. Download it from their server and see how it works. But currently, right now, you're moving straight to the dashboard because it has been installed on all the desktop in your front right now. Moving to the last thing on this introduction to WordPress is what you're going to achieve at the end of this lesson, and what you will be doing at the end of this lesson. So you're not just going to consume this training. At the end of this lesson, you're also going to be building a solid stuff, something you're going to be presenting to the facilitators for them to assess you. It's always good for you to practicalize whatever you're doing. So the aim of this lesson is for you to have a very solid foundation on WordPress design. After having this solid foundation, implement it, practicalize it, and build something at the end. You could end up building a website for the Quara youth. You could build a personal portfolio website. I'll be showing you a personal portfolio website where I talk about my services, what I do, and other people projects I've done. I also share part of my experience on the blog. So there are different things you can do with a WordPress website. So at the end of this training, you choose what to do. You're going to be discussing with the facilitators. You choose what to build or what to design, and you present it to them. So don't think you're just going to be consuming content, you're just going to be consuming training. No, you're not. You're going to consume and also implement and show them that, or show us, or show the world that, yes, I have gone through this training and this is what I was able to do. So that ends the introduction to WordPress, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.